Kate McGowan is looking forward to finally spending time with her family after nearly 2 months of heavy restrictions with most social gatherings off limits.
My mother's been living alone, and it'll just be nice to be able to finally give her a hug for the first time since March, so yeah.
Quebec Premier François Legault is proposing what he calls a moral contract for the holidays. The province will allow get-togethers up to 10 people over a 4-day period, but he's asking Quebecers to agree to a voluntary isolation.
We ask people to limit their contacts as much as possible a week before and a week after.
To provide time for some to isolate, students will be let out of school a few days early, a week before Christmas Eve. Elementary schools will resume as planned just over a week after the gatherings, but high school students will do online learning until the following week.
Because we didn't want to lose that time with our students. We didn't want the interruption in the learning to be extended.
The concern for this infectious disease specialist is that December gatherings could lead to a spike in cases in January.
What we would not want to see is an explosion of COVID cases that would jam-pack our hospitals.
That also worries Carlos Bergaman.
They're looking for troubles. I mean, they try to please people to pay later.
But others are eager for a little reprieve.
It gives us hope, and I missed our birthdays, I missed Thanksgiving, so this is something that I think it would be well worth it, all those times that we missed.
The province's public health director says the fewer gatherings there are, the better, and says the plan to allow them is a controlled risk. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.